Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas scented Play-Doh. First of all, you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, or for my friends in the UK that's plain flour, half a cup of salt, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 cup of cold water, some red food colouring, I've chosen red because it's nice and Christmassy, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of ground nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of ground cloves, 1 tablespoon of ginger. I've also got some flour for dusting with later and some nice green glitter to make it Christmassy. So, I love this recipe because it's so easy. You throw everything into the saucepan. Now when I say throw everything, just be careful when you throw the food colouring in. You do not want that to go everywhere. Now I'm going to add a lot of red food colouring because I want it to be really bright red for Christmas. If you put too little red food colouring in, it will turn pink. That's okay. Don't forget the spices. Mix it all together. So you just throw it into the saucepan. You get your wooden spoon and you take it over to your stove. And on a low heat, there we go, on a low heat, you mix it all together. Again, be very careful when you're stirring because that food colouring will stain. I am speaking from experience. Okay. So this doesn't take long. You're basically mixing it until you see it kind of peel away from the bottom. You'll see what I mean in a minute. It will be very tempting to leave this, but don't, because it will stick to the pan very, very quickly. You need to keep stirring it. Now, I was thinking the other day, why do I like this recipe so much? Well, number one, it's cheap. Most of these ingredients you will have in your cupboard. Something that you might not have is the cream of tartar, and I will be making another video soon to show you how you can make Play-Doh without the cream of tartar. I find the cream of tartar gives it its smoothness, and I believe it helps it last a long time as well. But another reason I love this is because if you are creating this for little children, it's okay if they put it in their mouths. You know what little children are like. They like to taste everything, which is very normal. And this Play-Doh is okay to put in their mouths to eat because you know exactly what's in it. Obviously, don't encourage them to eat it all. You know, don't encourage them to eat any of it really. But if they do, it's okay. Okay, that's quite a dark red, isn't it? So it's getting thicker now. I can feel I'm having to stir a little bit harder. You can see it's starting to come away from the sides, and that's all good. It smells quite good too. I can definitely smell those cloves, which is a really nice Christmassy scent. Ooh. Now don't forget, you don't need all those expensive toys when you've got Play-Doh. You can just use your hands, or you can find things in your kitchen cupboard. Having the toys is great, those rolling pins and those cookie cutters, but not necessary. See, that's perfect now. You can take that off the heat and we transfer it to a nice floury surface. Okay, it smells great. Ooh. Look at that. does smell good. Ooh. Okay, lots of flour. Remember, when the children are playing with it, if it does get sticky, just add more flour and that will be okay. And this, you add some glitter, just to make it extra Christmassy. Ooh, it's nice and warm. And there you go. That is your Christmas Play-Doh made in less than 20 minutes, and it's all ready to go. Now remember, if you keep this in an airtight container in the fridge, it will last for months. So, enjoy making your Christmas scented Play-Doh, and Merry Christmas!